Get into the 2019 Dodge Ram 2500. This vehicle still has fewer than 5,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Ram 2500 has what it takes to get the big jobs done right. It's infused with heavy-duty capability, connected, convenient, comfortable, and built to last. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, chrome wheels, keyless start, heated mirrors, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, stability control, tow hitch, traction control. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected.